welcome back to my channel. It's Barwaaqo AKA KeepingupwithB, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to do this makeup look. This is an everyday summer glam look, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so the first thing I like to do is moisturize my face with a prescription cream. It's actually called Isomil Gel. I find it super hydrating and moisturizing, and literally it's basically my base for my makeup. After moisturizing my face, I like to go in with my eyebrows first. So I'm currently using Collection Eyebrow Kit in the color brunette. I don't completely fill out my eyebrows. I like to outline them first before going in with the concealer. As you can see, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I apply this above and below my eyebrows as a way of creating a defined shape. After this, I go in with the brush that I think I bought from New Look, and I just blend the concealer. I also go in with the Real Technique Beauty Blender. And to finish the eyebrows, I go back in with the brow brush and use the same eyebrow kit to fill them in. 3, 2, 1, and voila! Okay, so the next stage is to work on my foundation. Here I'm basically using an e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation in this shade Latte. I think I ordered this one from Beauty Bay. This foundation is actually great for everyday wear. It's super light on the skin, like it doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup, and it gives you that perfect summer glow. So after applying the foundation all over, I like to blend it, of course, before going back in to finish my eyes. For my eyes, I am actually using the Magic by Juvia's palette. To be specific, I am literally going in with the shade Kaji, I think that's what they say it, and Zachariah. Make sure you tap the brush before applying the colour to your eyes, otherwise the colour will literally apply too strong. Don't forget to blend. Blend us is. So the next step is I am applying my false eyelashes. I can't remember where I actually got these from, but I think I bought them off Amazon as a set. I do use hair glue, I know guys, I definitely would not recommend it. You want the eyelash glue to dry for a bit, so give it like 60 seconds and then put it on. My mascara of choice, it's actually Maybelline Lash Sensational one. Here is the eye makeup. Next step is to apply some concealer under the eye, just so my eye gets a bit brighter. Another concealer that I love using is e.l.f. It's a 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I like to put this concealer along my jawline and anywhere that is hyper pigmented, as you guys can see. And then we contour. So the first product I use on my contour is this palette that I've actually got gifted. I think it's called the Pro Finish palette by Technique, and it's actually the Toffin edition. So yes. I then use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder to set my concealer and my foundation. I literally apply it on my beauty blender and literally just blend. I find that setting my makeup with a setting powder actually helps my makeup stay on throughout the whole day, especially when it's like literally really hot outside. I realised that I wanted my eyeshadow to literally pop just a little bit more, so I went in again with the Juvia palette and applied some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. For my highlight, I am using the Profession Highlight and Contour palette, and I use the shade Interstellar, I think that's how you say it, and I literally apply it on the inner corner of my eye and the bridge of my nose. I went in again to fix my eyebrows real quick because they were looking a bit too messy. I used the Skivney Orchin brush to go back and blend my contour. For the 5th billionth time, I used my beauty blender to literally blend everything together. Okay, so for the lips, I'm currently using the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Deep Plum. It's super natural and perfect for everyday wear, literally. And on top of it, I like to use a little bit more of lip gloss, as you guys can see. So guys, here is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's an everyday summer glam look. Really cute and simple. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure you give it a little thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see in my next video. This is Keeping Up with B, and I'm officially out. Deuces! ما استعكرت
متعودة.
Jarvis, I'm telling you.
Keep up with me. Yes.
Oh, y'all say hi to my YouTube.
Hi.
Did you guys hear my mom say hi? Oh, you say hi again.
Hi.
Yeah, that's all, y'all.